Hello again. I just made this quick video. This is basically to help people understand why AI generated text gets flagged. If you're writing text, if you're either a content creator or you're a student creating papers for school, or you're writing a resume, or you're posting things online and they're getting flagged. Um, it's very important to look at the differences between how AI writes and how humans write. And then once you understand that, of course, everything sort of makes sense. So the way that these tools are working, AI generated text, it's highly predictable. So that's something that these AI detectors are actually looking for. They're not looking to see if the text is poorly written, if it sounds robotic. That's not actually what they're trained. That's not what they're trained on. They're basically looking for this predictability. These sentences, they often follow an even rhythm. The grammar is consistently clean, and the structure repeats itself over and over. That consistency, I mean, that's exactly what these tools are looking for. Now, you can try to tell ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini or Grok, whatever you're using, you can try to tell it to write this text as human as possible. You can even say, I want this to not get flagged as AI generated content. You could try all these prompts. It's still not going to work. There's still going to be a high level of AI because of the nature of the tools that are writing the text. So either you can go through and rewrite everything yourselves, or you can use a humanization tool, a good one, that can help you solve this. If you look over on the right side there, a comparison between the AI generated text and the human writing, you understand or you can see that human writing is much less consistent naturally. We phrase things differently, phrase things irregularly, we vary our sentence length, and our flow isn't always perfect. And that natural variation, that's very, very difficult for AI to reproduce. So, when these detectors flag AI content in what you're submitting, they're flagging the predictability. So, you know, even very good sounding AI text that you've written, if you look at it and say, oh, this is exactly how I would have written it, unfortunately, that's not how these detectors see it. Um, Anyways, that's just a little explanation of why your text gets flagged. So, hope this was helpful. Thanks.